Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on the 27th of September. We did a lady comb, a two-handed first move, an arm jive cross, and a pretzel comb bounces with the spin exit as opposed to the standard exit. That way you could join it into the lady comb. Teaching information in the links in the description below, and this will show you how everything went together. So starting off right to right for the lady comb, it goes like this, or went like this, 7 and 8. We went a back, return, comb the lady, two hands for the first move, in and twist, twist, turn, face, two hands for the arm jive cross, and we went cross, 2, 3, into the turn and face, off of the pretzel comb bounces, over the lady, and a bounce, 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 over, prep, spin, catching right, allowed us to come round and be ready to go back into the lady comb. Hope you find that helpful. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end in one of the little windows that comes up in the last few seconds of the video, and as always, to you all, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.